Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we've got here is a Kranzle spray guard splashback system. Now, as usual, Kranzle far superior than other things in the marketplace made on quality. So you'll hear when you tap it, the noise it's making on the quality of the plastic. Very easy and simple to set up and use as well compared to a lot of the others in the marketplace. So what we've got here is a screw fitting that can tighten, loosen and tighten. Loosen it off, you will then be able to take off the whole item. Now you'll be looking and thinking, oh my goodness gracious, how do you get your fitting through there? Well, all you simply do is simply turn it and pull it out. You would then put your lance through that system. With your lance attached, reattached. Now you'll see you've got grooves and you've got grooves there. Make sure you marry them grooves together. Once you've married them grooves together, just push back in place. Marry them up. Little lugs on here, only go one way, so them lugs drop into this point and tighten up. Alter the distance on depending on what nozzle you're using, backwards and forwards, by pulling your lance down, up and down the tube. It's also got the brush bottom, so this stops all the splashing. Like I say, the plastic on there is a different quality to all the others I've come across in the marketplace. Thank you very much. Qservices, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And that's the Kranzle splashback.